everyone. So I gonna start today my presentation with ions critical to human health, and I choose the sodium as an ion. So ion is charged atom for molecule. It is charged because the number of electrons do not equal the number of protons the atom of molecule. An atom can acquire positive charge or negative charge depending on where the number of electrons in an atom is greater than the less of the number of protons in the atom. It can be positive or negative charge. Sodium or natrium is a positive ion, so we can call it cation. Many ion exist normally in our body. Well, chemical and physical characteristic of the sodium is atomic number is 11. Atomic mass is 22,98977 grams per mole. Electronegativity according to the Pauling 0.9. Density 0.97 grams centimeter at -3 at 20 degrees of Celsius. Melting point is 97.5 degree on Celsius. Boiling point is 883 of Celsius. Van der Waals radius is 0.196 nanometers. Ionic radius is 0.095 nanometers. Isotope 3. Electronic shell is 3 as 1. Energy of first ionization is 495.7 kilojoule per mole, and starting potential is -271 volts. Function of sodium. Sodium regulates the total amount of water in the body, and the transmission of sodium out of individual cells also plays a role as critical body functions. Many processes in the body, especially in the brain, nervous system, and muscles, require electrical signals for communication. The movement of sodium is critical in generation of these electrical signals. Sodium ion concentration is an excellent biomarker to provide electrolyte imbalance and valuable information regarding individual physical and mental situation. The level of sodium ions in the human body can depict pH, water imbalance, and osmotic pressure. Cystic fibrosis and a disease causes to have a loss of sodium ions. Sodium homeostasis is a mechanism to maintain normal sodium concentration in our body. So we can have a couple conditions which can be determined with sodium. So it's hyponatremia. With hyponatremia, the imbalance of water to sodium caused by one of the three conditions. Euvolemic hyponatremia is total body water increases, but the body sodium content stays the same. Hypovolemic hyponatremia, both sodium and water content in the body increase, but water gain is greater. And hypovolemic hyponatremia, its water and sodium are both lost from the body, but the sodium loss is greater. Low blood sodium level can be caused by burns, affect a large area of the body, diarrhea, diuretic medicines like water pills, which increase urine output and loss of sodium through the urine, heart failure, kidney disease, cirrhosis, advanced liver disease, syndrome of inappropriate antidiuretic hormone secretion, sweating, and vomiting. Symptoms of hyponatremia is changes in personality, confusion or short temper, fatigue, convulsions or seizures, feeling weak, loss of consciousness or coma, low blood pressure, feeling nauseous or vomiting. Hypernatremia, that's an excessive amount of sodium in our body. It's much less common than hyponatremia. It reflects a net water loss or hyponatric sodium gain with inevitable hyperosmolarity. Importantly, the sensation of intense thirst that protects against severe hypernatremia in healthy may be absent or reduced in patients with altered mental status or with hypothalamic lesions affecting their sense of thirst, which is adipsia, and in infants and elderly people also. Classifications of hypernatremia. It can be hypovolemia, hypervolemia, and euvolemia. Hypovolemia is dermal losses, for example, burns, sweating, gastrointestinal losses, for example, vomiting, diarrhea, fistulas, diuretics, post-obstruction, acute